All right, here we are at 715 ROUGHBEARD Road here in Winter Park, Florida. 32792. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,250 square foot home. Has a 2024 roof. Also has 2013 HVAC, and we're going to kind of go through everything else inside the home. Overall, this home is zoned for Loma Elementary, Glen Ridge Middle, and Winter Park High School. This is actually day one here being May 2nd, 2025, that they put this on the market. So we're going to see this together. We've got a large tree out front. Good news is it's far away from the house. You don't have any trees overhanging it, which is great. Walkway, obviously 2-car garage, as well as a 2-car parking on that. Here's your neighborhood. Nice privacy all the way around. No parking on that side of the street, but you can park on this side where the house is at, which is great. Now let's walk on inside. So no mailbox, so I'm assuming the mailbox goes right there into the garage. Gutters around the front portion of the roof, but not looking anywhere else. All right, walk right in. Let me shut the door. Popcorn ceiling. Obviously, you have this wall right in front of you as you go in. I'm assuming that goes into the garage, but we'll do this together as we go through. Let's go to the left first. Here is your 2-car garage. And there is the mail. There's a little basket. So, not original windows, not updated windows. Do have an outside refrigerator here. Washer dryers on the exterior. You've got gas coming here to the home. Obviously, you can see the water heater here. Here's your HVAC, which is a 2013. Attic access right there. A little linen closet, I'm assuming, or a coat closet right here by the front door. That's exactly what it is. Tile flooring as you walk in, into carpet in that other living room, and a little bit of carpet here. We're gonna go right of the front door first. 2 large windows in the front. Feel like single pane. Again, popcorn everywhere. Most homes here in the Pines are exterior load bearing. So I'm making the assumption all of this can come out, but obviously we can get that checked to confirm. Doesn't look like water damage or anything, just looks like furniture was sitting there for a long time. Again, these windows, single pane, not opening any of these. I'm gonna actually walk back to the front. Front door to the left, garage straight ahead. Walk here through that door, brings you into another living room. Here is your current kitchen as it sits. Obviously, needs a lot of updating. Again, deep pantry, so this is going all the way back as well to the back side of this. So you got to think that these are not load bearing, but again, we can get in the attic and find that out. So secondary living room right here. Before we go outside, this is all wallpaper. And that's all wood paneling that's been painted, popcorn ceiling. Walk through the door, bedroom number 1 to your left. Not new, not old. Single pane. Again, pretty standard closets. All hollow doors. Bathroom number 1. You got the tile all the way around. Tile looks good. You don't see any of the cracking or anything where it goes into the tub, which is nice. vanity in the back. And again, hollow door. Looks like some sort of texture on the walls. Again, another, oh, excuse me, I'll drop some there. Another attic access as you go up. 2 linen closets. Looks like they've got the whole attic fan, if it works. Yep, so that still works. That's on low and that's shut it off. Perfect. Bedroom number 2. Again, all the carpets gotta go. Popcorn. Standard closet. Bedroom number 3. Popcorn. Carpet, everything's gonna go. There's a other room we talked about. Okay, not seeing anything too crazy up here. That's nice. Here into the master. I don't know what we got going on here. It doesn't feel wet, so. Sliders out to the pool area. I think there we go, sorry. Master closet. Here into the master bath. Let me step out so you can kind of see this, right? So we're walking in, closet to your right. Go into a little bit of the hallway. And this obviously is a tight shower, but it is deep. Again, 6'2", right? You got a decent amount of space in here, obviously. Left to right, pretty tight, but it is deep. I think you'd almost be better off making this a 3-2 and making that other bedroom part of the master and reconfiguring it a little bit, but to each his own. Because again, you'd have your 2 bedrooms here, then you'd have this obviously larger space, but let's go see the rest. Hit this light off again. Here's the guest bathroom. I've not seen an electrical panel, so we're gonna have to pop out and try to find that. Probably in the garage. Slider actually works really well. Obviously not new or old, but a little popping on the tiles, so those won't be hard to pop up. Out here to the exterior space. This obviously is not a part of the central air. These are all vinyl windows. Cedar planks at the top. You got this brick all the way around in here. Looks like they had a lot of plants on the outside with all the metal hooks and everything. Head outside. Huge pool. You can tell the chemicals are off, but you can also see that they're going to need a resurfacing here soon. I don't see any pitting yet, but definitely some discoloration, and my inspector will laugh at me, efflorescence, I think as they call it. You can see it coming through, which I believe is the calcium. Could be completely butchering that. But again, really good sized backyard. Pool equipment, Federal Pacific exterior panel. That would need to be addressed. Again, on this side, there's your HVAC power still going from the house, not underground yet. I know they are trying to work on that over here on the side of Winter Park. Again, this is unincorporated Orange County. Nice wood fence everywhere. Does have irrigation. I can see all the heads. Again, a little makeshift, I'm assuming, was a plant area that they had back in the day. But there you go. That is long and short of it.